How are you all? Today I am going to teach you maths and the topic for today is ascending and descending order. So let's start our lesson. Students, ascending order and descending order from number 1 to 30. In ascending order, we have to move in a forward direction. It is only forward counting. So here I have given some sum. We can solve this sum. Number 1, 4 to 8. We have to write this number 4 to 8 in ascending order. So while we are writing in ascending order, we have to see from which number we have to start until which number we have to write. So here in this we have number 1, we have to start the number from 4. So in the first box we will write number 4. Then we will do the forward counting till number 8. So we will start with number 4, then 5, 6, 7 and we will end here with number 8. Okay, so you have seen from 4 to 8 it was just a forward counting. Then number 2, 16 to 20. Here we will start with number 16 and we will end at number 20. Here also we are going to do forward counting. We are writing ascending order from 16 to 20. So 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then third one we are writing in ascending order from number 21 till 25. 21 to 25. So we will start with number 21. Then 22, 23, 24, 25. We have ended with number 25. So I hope you understood ascending order. It is just forward counting. We have to see from which number we have to start and at which number we have to end. Stop. Okay. Now comes descending order. Descending order means backward counting. You have to move in a reverse direction. You know backward counting very well. So if you know backward counting, you will able to do descending order also very well. So let's start. Here I have written number 5 to 1. So from number 5 we have to count in a backward order. We have to count backward counting from 5 to 1. Here till where we have to count? Till 1. So we will start in descending order. We will start with number 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Second, 17 to 13. 17 to 13. So we will start from number 17. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13. You have seen here also I have written backward counting from number 17 to number 13. Third one is number 30 to 26. 30 to 26. So we will start from number 30. 30. Then 29, 28, 27, 26. So we have started with number 30 and we have ended up at number 26. So you understood, children? Descending order means we have to move in a backward direction, move in a reverse direction, that is only backward counting. Ascending order is forward counting. It is very simple. I know. Once you practice doing this sum, you will learn it very easily because you know forward counting as well as backward counting. So, thank you.